welcome back to the YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification. So guys, please, today's video we are going to be cutting a simple shirt collar. The collar inches is 12 inches. The inches or the length of the collar is gonna be 12 inches. So let's get it done. So over here we have a fabric of, let's say like the length of it is 3.5. One of them length is 2, you understand? It's 2 different fabric, and one of them length is 3.5, and the and the width is 14 inches. Let's say like the length is 14 inches, because we are going to sew it like this, because it's 12 inches, because the collar inches is 12 inches. So we are gonna add some allowance for the sewing allowance. Understand I'm talking about? Same to this one, you understand? So over here we have the material. This is the back of the material. If you turn it, it's gonna be like this. This is the one that's gonna come outside. You understand I'm talking about? This is the one that's gonna come outside. So right here you can see that this material is bigger than this one. This one is bigger. The first one is bigger, you understand, and longer than this one, you understand? So right here is a stiff. It's folded into 2, understand? We want to measure a 12 inches. So what we are gonna do is to what? Measure from here to what? 6. So that 6 divided by 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we get this actual what length that we want. So we are going to be what? Divide the 12 by 6 2 to get it 6. So that when we cut it, we have folded it into 2. So when we cut it, it's gonna be what how we want to be cutting. You understand I'm talking about, guys? So let me draw it for you to see it, how I'm gonna be cutting it, you understand? So it's not that hard. So guys, have you seen how I have drawn it? This is exactly how I am going to be cutting it. So watch how I'm cutting it. So we started from here, and we are gonna turn like this, you understand? We are gonna turn like this, and to go upper like this, and to come straight. Let's forget where the line is. Let's come straight to get it straight, you understand? So guys, this is how it has been right now. This is how to cut the stiff before you what? Sew the collar, you understand? So guys, after cutting it like this, we are gonna bring the longer or the bigger fabric that we cutted. As we already said, the actual neck that we are going to be making is 12 inches. So we have to make the fabric longer so that we can get the sewing allowance. So this is how is it. So guys, we are going to be folding this side onto it like this. We are gonna iron it on the fabric, and to fold this side, you understand? Fold this side on it so that we come and what? Stitch it. Let's go and iron it. So guys, after ironing it, this is the result. So this is how we do it. We put the stiff on it and we iron it, and to make it stitch, you understand? So we fold this one inside. We fold this one onto the stiff, you understand? So this is the place that's gonna show out. So this is the back, understand? It's the back that you're going to be putting the stiff. So we are stitching from here, from the top to the down, to the very end. So let's do it right now. Let's stitch it right now. So guys, this is how we stitch it. I already told you, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out these beautiful sewing designs. So guys, this is how it's gonna make after doing it. So if you turn it, this is how it's gonna be looking, you understand? It's gonna be looking like this. So this side, this fabric right here, I told you it was 2. So one of this, you're gonna put it on top on the table like this, and to put this one on it like this, guys, have you seen it? We are gonna what? Left a sewing allowance for the for us to what to be able to stitch it on the what the main shirt, you understand. So this is the sewing allowance right here. So we are going to be what stitching it from here, you understand. We are going to be stitching it from here, from where the pen is marked, and pass here, pass here, pass here, pass here. So when I'm stitching, you are gonna see it to come here, to come this part. So when I'm stitching it, you are gonna see how what I'm telling you right now. So let's get it done. Let's get it done. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So guys, we are stitching it. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So guys, watch how we are stitching it carefully so that we're able to watch serious beautiful. إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. So guys, we are stitching it. We are stitching it. So guys, this is how we stitch this one too. So we are gonna remove the thread, and it's gonna be looking like this, guys. Right here, it's going to be looking like this. So you have seen that we have stitched it. So we are going to be cutting the excess, or the one which is not needed from 8, so that we guess what we want. So we'll watch how I'm cutting it carefully. So we don't cut it where we stitched the we don't cut it where we stitch the but rather we cut it wisely. So watch how I'm cutting it so that you're able to do this simple collar for your kid, for your sewing, you understand, for your shirt sewing, so that you'll be able to know and learn how to stitch a collar whilst sewing a shirt, you understand. So you're gonna put the collar, you understand, gonna put the collar so that's gonna be beautiful, you understand. It's going to be beautiful. So right here we are going to be turning it, guys. Have you seen it, how it has looked right now? We are going to be turning it. We are going to be turning it to make it look the way we want it to be, you understand. So we are turning it. So guys, we are turning it. So let's turn it so that we get what we want to be used, you understand. So if you are turning it, it looks like this. Then you just need to put the scissors into it, and to make sure that it is straightened. What we are doing is straightening, so that gets the right color that we want be doing, you understand. So if you are doing it, just be careful so that don't cut the fabric. Just be careful so that you don't cut the fabric, so that you ain't gonna waste your time. So guys, over here you see how it has become. We are going to fold this one. We are going to make it this one on the table, so we iron it, and to make it smoother. So we are going to iron it to come and show you, understand. So we are going to iron it. So guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how it's going to be looking. This is exactly how it's going to be looking. So this is the back, this is the back, this is the back of the the collar, you understand. This is the back of the collar, and it's looking nice. So after you're stitching with this one, if your stitches with the main shirt, then you are going to sew it from the sewing allowance here, you understand. You see that sewing allowance here, so we stitch it to the collar, and after that you will stitch it from here to this side, through this side, to this side, to this side, and to stitch it. So this is how we stitch a simple neck or simple shirt collar. So subscribe for the best sewing style. See you in the next video. Allah is the greatest. Bloomberg, believe.